Hello and welcome to Connections Small Ag Producers Workshops, funded by Show Me Entrepreneurial Grants for Agriculture through the Missouri Agricultural and Small Business Development Authority. I'm Clara Dickinson, Instructor of Agricultural Communications at Missouri State University, and today I'm going to be going over how to schedule Facebook posts in Hootsuite. Alrighty, let's get started in Hootsuite. So once you have created your account in Hootsuite and you've logged in, this is what your dashboard will look like on the home page. You will have your sidebar here with your different options with things like analytics, advertisements, inbox, a planner. If you want to use the planner, you'll click on it. And then this will allow you to plan out posts in a weekly or a monthly format. If you just want to create a post that day, we'll go back to the home page. And we'll scroll down here and make sure the account that we want to post to has been connected. So I'm going to be posting to Connecting with Customers, but say that it had not been added, I would hit Add Social Media Account, go to Facebook, and I would use my personal login to log into the account, and that would connect it to the personal Facebook page where you can then select your business pages. Since I already have everything connected, we're going to go ahead and hit Create Post up here in the top right-hand corner. And then it gives us options for drop down. So if you have multiple social medias, you can select which one you want to post to once they're all connected, or you can add another one if you forgot to do so. So again, I'm going to create my post for Connecting with Customers. And then I'm going to add a photo. So I'm going to select one from my desktop here that I have prepared to add. And then you want to add in your text. So I've already written up my text just to save us time, so I'm going to copy and paste that in. If you are creating your post from scratch in Hootsuite, you would just simply type in this box. And then you can have some content tips. You can promote this post through Hootsuite. You can add a target audience. You can save this as a draft, or you can schedule for later, or you can post now. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule for later. And I'm going to I want this post to go out on Monday morning at 8 a.m. Hootsuite will also show you recommended times. The more you post and the more engagement you have, the more likely these times will be tailored to you. Since I have not yet posted through Hootsuite, they are giving me times that they think that my audience will be active. So now that I have my post scheduled for Monday at 8 a.m., I will hit schedule. And my post has been scheduled. And then on the planner here, we can go to next week and we see that the post is ready and scheduled for Monday at 8 a.m. We can also see that Hootsuite suggests I post again on Thursday, so I would then maybe potentially try to go in and post one on Thursday as well. A nice feature about Hootsuite is it also gives you some different national holidays or different days that you can use as posts. So say you're doing dairy on National Cheese Day on the 4th, you might want to post something about being National Cheese Day. Once you have that post scheduled, when you have it clicked on over here, you also have the option to edit and delete it at any time. So now that you have some basics on how to schedule a post through Hootsuite, you can start to explore all of Hootsuite's other features, from stock photos to analytics. I'd like to thank you for watching this tutorial, and until next time, I'm Clara Dickinson with the Connections Small Ag Producers Workshops, funded by the Show Me Entrepreneurial Grants for Agriculture through the Missouri Agricultural and Small Business Development Authority.